Hey guys, I am Orpita Roy, a first year medical student. If you don't know me already, from just the sheer amount of popularity I have on YouTube, if you don't know me already, that's very surprising. So, for the past 1.5 months, all I've been doing is just studying. I have been studying everything but physiology for the past 1.5 months. So, in this video, I will study physiology for a whole day. I know that's a lot, right? So, yeah, let's go ahead. I'm not depressed, by the way, don't worry about me. I will most definitely survive this exam session with like 3 more study vlogs because if I'm suffering, then might as well get monetized for it. So, yeah, I'm gonna milk the heck out of this exam session and make like I don't know as many vlogs as possible because to be quite honest, in this economy, I think everything is valid and I don't think no one will get mad at me or anything. You guys won't, right? हॉलीडे के सबसे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम क्या रहता है? लॉन्ड्री ऑब्वियसली. बट क्या हो गया, बारिश आ गया था. सो आई हैड टू गो अप एंड टेक आउट माई क्लोथ्स, लाइक ब्रिंग डाउन माई क्लोथ्स, क्योंकि मैं छत पे सुखाने दिया था और बारिश आ गया था तो आई हैड टू. आफ्टर दैट मैं कॉलेज से आई, बाय द वे, सिंस वी हैव टू स्टार्ट, सो लेट्स मेक सम कॉफ़ी. Wow, this is looking pretty good. Like, this is very clean and not messy at all. Every time I try to be productive, it do be like that. Productive? Not productive, sorry, aesthetic. And as you can see, it's 4:30. Is it 4:30? I can't see the clock. It is definitely, I think it is 4:30. So we are going to start physiology finally after all these, like after saying like 500 times in my previous vlogs that I have been avoiding physiology. Now, मे बी तुम सोच रहे होगे कि वाई एम आई साउंडिंग सो लो, और मे बी तुम नहीं सोच रहे होगे, बट लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू एनी वे. द रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ my exam. I don't think it's wise to blame the exam actually. I don't think it's just my general mental state I have become, because life lately have been very boring. All I do is just come back home from classes and I study, and sometimes when I don't go to classes I take holiday to study again, and just that's all. It's like the same thing repeating again and again. But I hope that this monotony of my life changes after exam at least. I might plan a trip somewhere. That being said, if my parents allows for that. But yeah, back to daily life suffering.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side.
The whole physiology have, I think, 10 or 12 portion. It's like cellular physiology, then hematology, muscle physiology, cardiovascular system, renal, gastrointestinal, reproductive, endocrine, and CNS or nervous system. And CVS, I mean cardiovascular, जैसे कि मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ कि फर्स्ट इंटरनल फर्स्ट इंटरनल में हमारा कार्डियोवैस्कुलर था. फर्स्ट इंटरनल के बाद से मैं कार्डियोवैस्कुलर पे हाथ तक नहीं लगाई. एंड आई एम स्केर्ड ऑफ कार्डियोवैस्कुलर नाउ. CVS आई डोंट नो मैं कब स्टार्ट करूँगी. ऑलरेडी एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है एंड thankfully it is not prof, it's pre-prof, so I have the cushion to actually skip some topics which I absolutely not like. Humanly it's just simply not possible to finish in time. So if I cannot, I will keep it for prof, but yeah, most probably I'll try to start CVS by the end of July, you know, because in the mid-August we have our prof and I'm planning to complete my syllabus no matter what by the end of August. Yeah, I know, like this exam, but मैं try तो किया था पहले बहुत कि मैं pre-prof से पहले तक ख़त्म कर लूँ syllabus, but it's I don't think at this time कि कर पाऊँगी. So yeah, that's it guys. It's just a usual me and my life with a humongous, unlimited, infinite syllabus. And I think like guilt-induced study sessions and 3 a.m. cooking show has become a very usual trope in my videos nowadays. भूख लगी है. So today on MasterChef season finale number 19 we are making दाल खिचड़ी. पिछली बार हमने आलू सेद्धो भात बनाए थे और इस बार हम खिचड़ी बनाएंगे क्योंकि these two are like literally my comfort food, and also the fact that I have literally no time to spare now on extensive cooking processes. और अभी मार्केट में एक न्यू एनिमे आया है, Taco Piece Original Sin, so there was so much hype about it. So as the professional anime watcher I am, I absolutely streamed it and it was, oh my god, I mean, how do I even explain? Just see for yourself. इसके बाद I think I am traumatized and I have developed split personality disorder and my other personality is named Aparichit, who cracks really unfunny jokes. एंड यू गाइस सी कि मैं इतना पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ और रैदर मुझे करना पड़ रहा है कि मेरे आँखों के नीचे ये डार्क सर्कल्स आ गया है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन टू मी in 5 years. I hope that at least I'm alive to enjoy my internship money. So at this time we are almost in the last level of renal, आई नो बात करते करते मैं रीनल ख़त्म कर लिया. एक्चुअली यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि नो वे, एक दिन में कैसे ही तुम एक सब्जेक्ट ख़त्म कर सकते हो. दैट्स जस्ट मी एंड माई एंग्जियस सेल्फ बिफोर 20 days before exam. So I'm super productive now. I'm like Lucy from that movie Lucy, who have just unlocked 80% capability of her brain, and I'm unstoppable now.